महं दन्ति सुन्दरमुखं मन्तकातकसुतं तमिह श्रीविघ्नराजं भजे
श्रीविघ्नराजं भजे
కలవరమై గుండెలో పరవశమో వరమై కలలో కలవరమై కలవరమో వరమే యోగగా కలలో కలవరమై గుండెలో పరవశమే వశమై కలలో కలవరమై కలిగే కోరిక ఏకాంతాల చెరలో స్వేచ్ఛగా ఊహలే ఎన్నో కొంటె కథలే చెప్పగా అంగనే జారోషేలే ఇందు నీ చేయవో బాలే హంద గ్రీష్మం చూడో అందరంగం నేరునో
Good afternoon. I hope you all can hear me. I'm Binu George, Liz's dad. There are so many more qualified people to do this. I don't know why she chose me. I asked her why, and she said, you will say a lot of funny things. But I normally do that, but I can't do that today. Today is a very serious day, a very serious event. So I may be a bit boring. I'll try to do my best. There's a lot of difficult words here to say. These are things that Liz got familiar with over 10 years, and I was given 2 days' notice after a trip from Germany, so we'll try my best. Firstly, welcome Guru Sneha Kulkarni and your wonderful family. Warm welcome to everyone who's here, our friends and relatives. Betsy, myself, and Liz Very grateful that you all are here with us. Bharatanatyam is one of the oldest and most profound classical dance traditions in the world, originating over 2000 years ago in the temples of southern India. The word itself tells you exactly what to look for. Bhava stands for emotion, Ra for raga, which is melody, Ta for talam, rhythm, Natyam means dance. It's a beautiful harmony of technical precision and deep storytelling that combines emotion, melody, rhythm, and dance. Liz has been learning Bharatanatyam under the guidance of Guru Srimati Sneha Kulkarni for more than a decade. Guru Sneha Kulkarni started learning Bharatanatyam at the age of 7 in Mumbai, earned a Visharad degree from Bharatiya Sangeet Samiti. After completion of the degree, Guru Sneha joined Maharashtra Ki Lokdhara, a famous dance group by Shri Shahir Sabale, and performed all over Maharashtra and for Doordarshan, Delhi. Maharashtra Ki Lokdhara was telecasted all over India, and the group produced various well-known artists in Marathi, play, and film industry. Guru Sneha continued the journey of learning Bharatanatyam in Varvur style under Guru Vidushi Hemalata Prakash at Shrutilaya School of Dance in Bangalore. For many years, that's where Guru was, and then Guru Sneha performed in various dance ballets under the Guru, such as Ashtalakshmi, Ramayanam, Dasavartam, Tirumurti Vandanam, and Sringara Narayana. Guru Sneha also learned Carnatic classical music from Vidushi Mahalakshmi from Bangalore. While learning in Bangalore, Guru Sneha started helping her guru in conducting dance sessions, preparing students for Arangetam, and then started a dance school in Bangalore, leading the school for 3 years before moving to the United States. Guru Sneha's passion for dance and teaching continued in the United States in the form of Nityarpan Dance School, which was established in Edison, New Jersey from 2009, and then in West Windsor from 2014. Since then, Nityarpan has helped many school kids to develop keen interest for learning and practicing the art of Bharatanatyam. In November 2023, Liz graduated with a diploma in Bharatanatyam from Nityarpan Dance School. Today is the first time Liz is performing officially since her graduation. This day and this event is considered the most important day in the life of a dancer. This event is known as the Arangetam. And before we start the dance program, we would like to encourage all of you to give a big applause to our Guru, Sneha, who helped her in this journey. Thank you. The first recital portion is called Pushpanjali. That's what Liz is going to start with. It's a traditional namaskaram. Pushpanjali is a beautiful invocation, an offering which serves as a perfect opening to the Bharatanatyam recital. Pushpa means flower, and Anjali means namaskaram. In this invocation dance, the dancer offers flowers and asks for the blessings of gods, the Guru, and the audience. The Pushpanjali dance contains elements of pure dance nirta, presenting Pushpanjali in raga Amrita Varshini and tala adi.
Tam tam takajanu takadimi dim dim takajanu takadimi 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 ಜಣು ಧಕ ದಿಮಿ
తదిగిడతోం తదిగిడతోం తదిగిడతోం
తక్కతదిగిణతోం
తకతదిగిడతోం తకతదిగిడతోం తకతదిగిడతోం
తక్కదిక్కుతదిగిణతోం
తకదిక్కుతదిగిడతోం తకదిక్కుతదిగిడతోం తకదిక్కుతదిగిడతోం
తాం తాం తక జణు తక దిమి దీం దీం తక జణు తక దిమి దాం తాం తక జణు తక దిమి దీం దీం తక జణు తక దిమి
Alaripu, that's Liz's next number, and it's called Devi Alaripu. Alaripu is a traditional invocation dance piece of Bharatanatyam recital. Alaripu is a significant and essential element in classical Indian dance, particularly in Bharatanatyam. It serves as a rhythmic invocation or a warm-up piece, performed at the beginning of dance margam. The dance is choreographed to progressively use every part of the body from head to toe, hence giving the feeling of blossoming. It contains elements of pure dance, nirta. Liz is presenting Devi Alaripu, which is a creative variation derived from the traditional Alaripu, where the basic structure of Alaripu is kept unchanged. However, the hand gestures and leg movements are modified to depict three goddesses, Parvati, Mahalakshmi, and Saraswati, with their consorts Shiva, Vishnu, and Brahma. She is showing a brief story of Samudra Manthan, churning of ocean, and Vishnu's Kurma, Avatara, the tortoise incarnation. This Alaripu is choreographed by Guru Sneha Kulkarni, which is set to Mishra Chapu.
தடிக்கிட்ட தகதை ததை தடிக்கிட்ட தகதம் திதம் தடிக்கிட்ட தகதை ததை தடிக்கிட்ட தகதம் திதம் தடிக்கிட்ட தகதை ததை தடிக்கிட்ட தகதம் திதம் தடிக்கிட்ட தகதை ததை தடிக்கிட்ட தகதம்
We are now ready to move on to the next portion of this recital. Our next performance will be Varnam. It is one of the most important and complex and most elaborate numbers in Bharatanatyam, Margam repertoire. It's usually performed as the centerpiece of Bharatanatyam performance. It's a demanding number, testing not only the stamina of the dancer, but the training, the skill, the imaginative faculty of a dancer to improvise and to successfully alternate between pure dance and abhinaya, which is expression. When all these come together, this engrossing number is a visual delight. Traditional Varnams typically are of 25 to 45 minutes duration. Liss is presenting Daru Varnam Mathe Malaya Dwaja, is in Raga Khamas and Tala Adi, a beautiful composition of Sri Harikesha Nallur Muttaya Bhagavatar. This Varnam describes the beauty of goddess Parvati, who was born as goddess Meenakshi of Madurai, who is a daughter of Pandya king Malaya Dwaja and mother of Ganapati and Kartikeya, who is having a slender waist, consort of Shiva, also known as Chamundeshwari. a killer of demon Chamunda, bearer of crescent moon and having fair complexion in the form of goddess Gauri. In Chitta Swara Sahitya, center of Varnam, poet praises King Sri Krishna Rajendra as he is the grantor of all art forms, skilled expertise. He is the grantor of equal rights to all the creeds. He has an open heart and is sweet spoken. He is the grantor of notes, swara, the rhythm, laya, and lyrics, Gita, filled with rasanubhava of surpassing brilliance, grantor of joy, and the supreme rasika of intrinsic music. The poet further asks goddess to protect everyone's benefactor, the Maharaja of Mysore, Nalavadi, Sri Krishna Rajendra Vadiyar, at all times. In Charanam or stanza, the poet mentions goddess Parvati as a dark-hued one, the empress of the entire universe, and occupy the center of the moon in the cosmos. Liz will depict a story of how goddess defeated demon Mahisasura and gave relief to all the people. The story says that after getting a boon from the Brahma, that only a woman can kill him, Mahisasura started wrath everywhere. People went to the goddess for help. The goddess took the form of Durga or Chamundeshwari and fought with Mahisasura for 9 days, and on the 10th day she killed him, which we celebrate as Dasara or Dashera. Liz now presents Daru Varnam.
ಮಾತೆ ಮಲಯ ಧ್ವಜ ಪಾಂಡ್ಯ ಸಂಗಾತೆ ಮಾತೆ ಮಲಯ ಧ್ವಜ ಪಾಂಡ್ಯ ಸಂಗಾತೆ ಮಾತಂಗ ಮದನ ಗುಹ ಮಾತೆ ಮಲಯ ಧ್ವಜ ಪಾಂಡ್ಯ ಸಂಗಾತೆ ಮಾತಂಗ ಮದನ ಗುಹ ಮಾತೆ ಮಲಯ ಧ್ವಜ ಪಾಂಡ್ಯ ಸಂಗಾತೆ
Kutak, 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 கிட்ட தோம் த தி த க ந க ஜும் த ரி கி ட த க த க ரி த க ந க ஜும் த ரி கி ட த க த தி த க ந க ஜும் த ரி கி ட த க தி த க ந க ஜும் த ரி கி ட த க தி த க ந க ஜும் த ரி கி ட த க தி த க ந க ஜும் த ரி கி ட த க தி த க ந க ஜும் த ரி கி ட த க தி த க ந க ஜும் த ரி கி ட த க தி த க ந க ஜும் த ரி கி ட த க தி த க ந க ஜும் த ரி கி ட த க தி த க ந க ஜும் த ரி த க நம் த ரி த க நம் த ரி த க ஜும் த க நம் த க த க த க த க தோம் க த க த க தோம் க த க த க தோம்
மாதே மலைய ಧ್ವಜ ಪಾಂಡ್ಯ ಸಂಗಾತೆ ಮಾತಂಗವದನ ಗುಹ ಮಾತೆ ಮಲಯ ಧ್ವಜ ಪಾಂಡ್ಯ ಸಂಗಾತೆ ಮಾತಂಗ ವದನ 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 ಗುಹ ಮಾತೆ ಮಲಯ ಧ್ವಜ ಪಾಂಡ್ಯ ಸಂಗಾತೆ
தலம் குதக்க திக்கு தக்க தத்தி கிட்ட தோ தடிக்கு திடிக்கு தக்க டிங்கு தக்கு தக்க டிங் டிங்கு குத டிங்கு குத குகுத டிங்கு தக்க டிங் டிங்கு த திக்கு தலம் குதக்க தடிக்கு திடிக்கு தக்க டிங் தக்கு தக்க டிங் டிங்கு குத டிங்கு குத குகுத டிங்கு தக்க டிங் டிங்கு த திக்கு தலம் குதக்க தக்க தடிங்கு த குகுத டிங்கு த தக்க தடிங்கு த குகுத டிங்கு த தக்க தடிங்கு குகுத டிங்கு தக்க தடிங்கு குகுத டிங்கு தத்த தத்த தா குகுத குகுத தோம் தத்த தத்த தா குகுத குகுத தோம் தத்த தத்த தா குகுத குகுத தோம்
ಮಾತೆ ಮಲಯ ಧ್ವಜ ಪಾಂಡ್ಯ ಸಂಗಾತೆ ಮಾತಂಗ ವದನ ಗುಹ ಮಾತೆ ಮಲಯ ಧ್ವಜ ಪಾಂಡ್ಯ ಸಂಗಾತೆ
தலம் குதக்க திக்கு தக்க தத்தி கிட்ட தோ தத்த தக்க நக்க ஜும் தரி கிட்ட தக்க தக்க நக்க ஜும் தரி கிட்ட தக்க தா தி தத்தாதி தத்தாதி தக்கும் தரி கிட்ட தக்க தக்க நக்க ஜும் தரி கிட்ட தக்க தக்க நக்க ஜும் தரி கிட்ட தக்க தி தத்தாதி தத்தாதி தக்கும் தரி கிட்ட தக்க தக்க நக்க ஜும் 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 தக்கும் தரி கிட்ட தக்க ஜும் த ஜன ஜன த குக்கும் தரி த தரி த தன த ஜோனு த திமி த த தி த ஜம் தக்க தி த ஜம் த ஜம் த தி ரே ந தோம் தக்க 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 தோம் தக்க 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 தோம் த தி தக்க 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 தோம் த தக்க 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 தோம் த தி த தக்க 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 தோம் த தி த தக்க 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 தோம் த தக்க 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 தோம் த தி தக்க 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 தோம் தக்க 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 தோம்
ಮಾತೆ ಮಲಯ ಧ್ವಜ ಪಾಂಡ್ಯ ಸಂಗಾತೆ ಮಾತಂಗ ವದನ ಗುಹ ಶಾತೋದರಿ ಶಂಕರಿ ಚಾಮುಂಡೇಶ್ವರಿ ಚಂದ್ರಕಲಾಧರಿ ಕಾಯ ಗೌರಿ ಶಾತೋದರಿ ಶಂಕರಿ ಚಾಮುಂಡೇಶ್ವರಿ ಚಂದ್ರಕಲಾಧರಿ ಕಾಯ ಗೌರಿ ಶಾತೋದರಿ ಶಂಕರಿ ಚಾಮುಂಡೇಶ್ವರಿ ಚಂದ್ರಕಲಾಧರಿ ಕಾಯ ಗೌರಿ ಶಾತೋದರಿ ಶಂಕರಿ. ಐಗಿರಿ ನಂದಿನಿ ನಂದಿತ ಮೇದಿನಿ ವಿಶ್ವ ವಿನೋದಿನಿ ನಂದನುತೆ ಗಿರಿವರ ಗಿರೋದಿನಿ ವಾದಿನಿ ವಿಷ್ಣು ವಿಲಾದಿನಿ ವಿಷ್ಣುನುತೆ ಭಗವತಿ ಹೇಷಿತಿ ಕಂಠ ಕುಟುಂಬಿನಿ ಭೂರಿ ಕುಟುಂಬಿನಿ ಭೂರಿ ಕೃತೆ ಜಯ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಮಹಿಷಾಸುರಮರ್ದಿನಿ ರಮ್ಯಕಪರ್ದಿನಿ ಶೈಲಸುತೆ ರಮ್ಯಕಪರ್ದಿನಿ ಶೈಲಸುತೆ ರಮ್ಯಕಪರ್ದಿನಿ ಶೈಲಸುತೆ ರಮ್ಯಕಪರ್ದಿನಿ ಶೈಲಸುತೆ ಚಂದ್ರಕಲಾಧರಿ ಕಾಯ ಗೌರಿ ಶಾತೋದರಿ ಶಂಕರಿ ಚಾಮುಂಡೇಶ್ವರಿ ಚಂದ್ರಕಲಾಧರಿ ಕಾಯ ಗೌರಿ ಶಾತೋದರಿ ಶಂಕರಿ ಚಾಮುಂಡೇಶ್ವರಿ ಚಂದ್ರಕಲಾಧರಿ ಕಾಯ ಗೌರಿ ದಾದ ನಿದ ಧನಿ 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 ಬಮ ದಾದ ನಿರಿ ಧನಿ ಧನಿ ದ ಬಮ ತಾಂ ತಾಂ ಮಾತಂಗ ವರನ ಗುಗಮಾತೆ ಮಲಯ ಧ್ವಜ ಪಾಂಡ್ಯ ಸಂಜಾತೆ ದಾತ ಸಕಲ ಕಲಾ ನಿಪುಣ ಚತುರದಾತ ವಿವಿಧ ಮತ ಸಮಯ ಸಮರಸದಾತ ಸುಲಭ ಹೃದಯ ಮಧುರ ವಚನದಾತ ಸರಸ ರುಚಿರತರ ಸ್ವರಲಯ ಗೀತ ಸುಖದ ನಿಜ ಭಾವ ರಸಿಕ ವರದಾತ ಮಹಿಷೂರನಾದ ರಾಮಡಿ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣ ರಾಜೇಂದ್ರ ಕಾಯ ಸದಾ ಪೊರೆ ಮಹಿತ ಹರಿಕೇಶ ಮನೋಹರಿ ಸದಯ ಮಾತೆ ಮಲಯ ಧ್ವಜ ಪಾಂಡ್ಯ ಕುಲದೇ ದೇವಿ ದಾತ ಸಕಲ ಕಲಾ ನಿಪುಣ ಚತುರದಾತ ವಿವಿಧ ಮತ ಸಮಯ ಸಮರಸ ದಾತ ಸುಲಭ ಹೃದಯ ಮಧುರ ವಚನ ದಾತ ಸರಸ ರುಚಿರತರ ಸ್ವರಲಯ ಗೀತ ಸುಖದ ನಿಜವಾವ ರಸಿಕ ವರದಾತ ಮಹಿಷೂರನಾಥ ನಾಗಡಿ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣ ರಾಜೇಂದ್ರ ಕಾಯ ಸದಾ ಪೊರೆ ಮಹಿತ ಹರಿಕೇಶ ಮನೋಹರಿ ಸದಯ ಕಾದೆ ಮಲಯ ಧ್ವಜ ಪಾಂಡ್ಯ ಕುಲದೇ ಮಾತಂಗ ವರನ ಗುಗಮಾತೆ ಮಲಯ ಧ್ವಜ ಪಾಂಡ್ಯ ಸಂಜತೆ ಮಾತಂಗ ವರನ ಗುಗ ಮಾತೆ ಚಂದ್ರಕಳಾದರಿ ಮಾತೆ ಮಾತೆ ಜಗನ್ಮಾತೆ ಶಾಮೆ ಸಕಲ ಭುವನ ಸಾರ್ವಭೌಮೆ ಶಶಿಮಂಡಲ ಮಧ್ಯಗೆ ಶಾಮೆ ಸಕಲ ಭುವನ ಸಾರ್ವಭೌಮೆ ಶಶಿಮಂಡಲ ಮಧ್ಯಗೆ ಶಾಮೆ ಸಕಲ ಭುವನ ಸಾರ್ವಭೌಮೆ ಶಶಿಮಂಡಲ ಮಧ್ಯಗೆ ಶಾಮೆ ಸಕಲ ಭುವನ ಸಾರ್ವಭೌಮೆ
ತಲಂ ಕುತಕ ತಿಕು ತಕ ತತಿಕಿಟ ತೊಂತ ಕುಜೆ ಕುತಕ ಜೆ ಕುಜನ ಕುತಕ ಜಂ ಜಂ ತ ಜಂ ತರಿದ ಚಕ ತರಿದ ಜನ ಜನದ ಕುಕುಂದರಿದ ತ ಕುಜೆ ಕುತಕ ಜೆ ಕುಜನ ಕುತಕ ಜಂ ಜಂ ತ ಜಂ ತರಿದ ಚಕ ತರಿದ ಜನ ಜನದ ಕುಕುಂದರಿದ ತ ಕುಜೆ ಕುತ ಜೆ ಕುತ ಕತ ಕುಜನ ಕುತ ಜನ ಕುತ ತ ಕುಜೆ ಕುಜೆ ಕುಜನ ಕುಜನ ಕುಜಿನ ಕುಜಿನ ಕುತಕಿಟ ತ ಕೃತಕ ತೊಂ ತ ಕೃತಕ ತೊಂ ತ ಕೃತಕ ತೊಂ
ಶಾಮೆ ಸಕಲ ಭುವನ ಸಾರ್ವಭೌಮೆ ಶಶಿಮಂಡಲ ಮಧ್ಯಗೆ 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 ಪಾಮ ಪನಿ ಗದ ಬಾಮ ಗಮ ಪಾಮ ನಿಗಮ ಸನಿದ ಪದ ಮಾಮ ಪನಿ ಗದ ಬಾಮ ಗಮ ಪಾಮ ನಿಗಮ ಸನಿದ ಪದ ಮಾಮ ಪನಿ ಗದ ಬಾಮ ಗಮ ಪಾಮ ನಿಗಮ ಸನಿದ ಪದ ಶಾಮ ಶಶಿ ಮಂಡಲಮೇ ಸಕಲ ಭುವನ ಸಾರ್ವಭೌಮೆ ಶಶಿ ಮಂಡಲಮಧ್ಯೆ ರಾಮೆ ಸಕಲ ಭುವನ ಸಾರ್ವಭೌಮೆ ಶಶಿ ಮಂಡಲಮಧ್ಯೆ ನಿದ ನಿದ ಗಮ ಪಮ ಪಾಪ ನಿದ ಮಮ ಗ ಪಮ ನಿದ ಮ ನಿದ ಪಮ ನಿದ 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 ಗ ಪಮ ಪಾಪ ನಿದ ಪಮ ಗ ಪಮ ನಿದ ಮ ನಿದ ಪಮ ನಿದ ಶ್ಯಾಮೆ ಸಕಲ ಭುವನ ಸಾರ್ವಭೌಮೆ ಶಶಿ ಮಂಡಲ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಶ್ಯಾಮೆ ಸಕಲ ಭುವನ ಸಾರ್ವಭೌಮೆ ಶಶಿ ಮಂಡಲ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಕಥ ನಿದ 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 ಮಮ ಗಮ ಪಮ ಗಮ ಗಮ ಪದ ನಿದ ನೀ ಪದ ನಿದ 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 ಮಮ ಗಮ ಪಮ ಗಮ ಗಮ ಪದ ನಿದ ನೀ ದದನಿ ಬದನಿ ಮ ಪದನಿ ಸಮ ಗಮ ಪದನಿ ಸಮ ಗಮದನಿ ನಿದ ನಿದ ಗಮದ ಶ್ಯಾಮೆ ಸಕಲ ಭುವನ ಸಾರ್ವಭೌಮೆ ಶಶಿ ಮಂಡಲ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಶ್ಯಾಮೆ ಸಕಲ ಭುವನ ಸಾರ್ವಭೌಮೆ ಶಶಿ ಮಂಡಲ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಶ್ಯಾಮೆ ಸಕಲ ಭುವನ ಸಾರ್ವಭೌಮೆ ಶಶಿ ಮಂಡಲ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಚಾಮುಂಡೇಶ್ವರಿ ದುರ್ಗೆ ಸಿಂಹವಾಹಿನಿ ರಾಜರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಿ ಮಾತೆ ಮಾತೆ ದೇವಿ
This Arangetram was planned in two portions or segments. What we just saw was the first segment, which is now over. We will have a break. Just wanted to mention a couple of things about the break. There is a photo booth outside. We would love to have you take pictures in front of the photo booth so we can have your pictures for memory. There is a table at the reception where you can take a Polaroid picture of yourself and put it in a book and write a note to Liz. There is also a Bible up there if you want to highlight any verse and write a message for Liz. That will be highly appreciated as well. We will also have some snacks. I was told it's here, and we will get together after a 30-minute break. After the break, what we will have is the Guru Sneha is going to hand over a certificate to Liz if Guru thinks she's qualified and ready. And then after that, we'll have another segment which is expected to be shorter than the segment that we just saw. Thank you, and we'll take a break for 30 minutes. This will also allow the dancer Liz to go and change her costume and get ready and probably maybe get some feedback from the Guru for her next segment. Thank you. Okay, we will start the second segment in a minute. If you can take your seat. Thank you. Hope you had taken an opportunity to have some snacks, catch up with friends and family. So we'll go into the next segment of the program. This is the time when we will invite Guru Sneha Kulkarni to come on stage so that she can award the certificate of Arangetam to Liz.
one of the milestone of her Bharatnatyam journey. I'm very much proud of her that she performed really very nice, because learning online, virtual is a really difficult thing, but she cope up with that, and whatever scolding thing happened in the class, okay, I think everything paid off today. Okay, and along with the certificate, I would like to give her a token of appreciation. So Lishika, one of my ex-student, is joining us to hand over it.
So all that, this was 10 years of relationship, coaching, training, whatever word that is. And I don't think Liz is not the smartest or the brightest, but I think all the hard work that came was because of Guru's encouragement. I don't think any words, money, or anything in the world can compensate for that. But we want to make sure we hand over a little token of appreciation to our Guru. Thank you so much. We will have 2 performances now, and followed by that we will move to have an early dinner. So Liz continues with Devarnama Jaganmohane Krishna. This is a popular composition by Purandara Dasa in Ragamalika and set to Adi Talam. In this song, the poet addresses Krishna as Jagan Mohane, means the whole world's favorite. He further says that he is the one who preserves the world. Not only human beings, but animals, birds are also captivated by his mesmerizing flute. Liz will depict 10 incarnation or 10 avatars of Bhagavan Vishnu to eliminate injustice and to protect and restore dharma. Liz is showing the story of Vaman avatar, 5th avatar or incarnation of Bhagavan Vishnu, through Mahabali, who was a generous and beloved demon king. He could be the cause to overthrow the gods, and his next generation could be the cause of sadness for the whole world. Vishnu took the form of a dwarf Brahmin when Mahabali declared performing yagna, fire sacrifice, and grant anything to anyone whoever asks for. Bhagavan Vishnu asked for a gift of land that he could cover in 3 steps. Mahabali granted the request, and Vishnu then grew to his giant form and covered the earth, heaven, and finally Mahabali's head with his 3 steps. Mahabali was sent to the underworld, but Vishnu granted him the boon of ruling there. In the following stanza, Liz will briefly depict Vishnu's 2nd incarnation or avatara, which is Karma Avatara, turtle, when gods and demons performed Samudra Manthan, churning of Kashira, Sagar, Milky Way. They used mountain Meru as rod and snake Vasuki as rope. In the middle of the event, the Mount Meru started sinking and got stuck. Then Bhagavan Vishnu took Karma Avatara to provide solid foundational support to Meru till Samudra Manthan was completed. This song is composed by Purandara Dasa in Ragamalika and set to Adi Talam.
Jaganmohanane Krishna, Jaganmohanane Krishna, Jaganmohanane Krishna, Jagavane Palipane ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಜಗವನೆ ಪಾಲಿಪನೆ ಜಗನ್ಮೋಹನನೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಜಗವನೆ ಪಾಲಿಪನೆ ಜಗನ್ಮೋಹನನೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಜಗವನೆ ಪಾಲಿಪನೆ ಜಗನ್ಮೋಹನನೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಜಗವನೆ ಪಾಲಿಪನೆ ಜಗನ್ಮೋಹನನೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಒಂದು ಪಾದವ ಭೂಮಿಯಲೂರಿ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಪಾದದಿ ಗಗನವ ನಳೆದು ಒಂದು ಪಾದವ ಭೂಮಿಯಲೂರಿ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಪಾದದಿ ಗಗನವ ನಳೆದು ಒಂದು ಪಾದಬಲಿ ಶಿರದಲ್ಲಿ ಈಟೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾದಬಲಿ ಶಿರದಲ್ಲಿ ಈಟೆ ಇಂದ ವಿದ್ಯೆಯನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತೋ ಇಂದ ವಿದ್ಯೆಯನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತೋ ಒಂದು ಪಾದವ ಗಗನವ ನಳೆದು ಒಂದು ಪಾದವ ಭೂಮಿಯಲೂರಿ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಪಾದದಿ 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 ಗಗನವ ನಲೆದು ಒಂದು ಪಾದವ ಭೂಮಿಯಲೂರಿ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಪಾದದಿ ಗಗನವ ನಲೆದು ಒಂದು ಪಾದ ಬಲಿ ಶಿರದಲ್ಲಿ ಈಟೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾದ ಬಲಿ ಶಿರದಲ್ಲಿ ಈಟೆ ಇಂದ ವಿದ್ಯೆಯನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತೋ ಇಂದ ವಿದ್ಯವನೆಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತಯೋ ರಂಗ ಜಗನ್ಮೋಹನನೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಜಗವನೆ ಪಾಲಿಪನೆ ಜಗನ್ಮೋಹನನೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಎಂದೆಂದಿಗೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗುಣಗಣ ಪೊಗಳಲು ಇಂದ್ರಾದಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಅಳವಲ್ಲ 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 ಮಂದರದರ ಶ್ರೀ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ಮಂದರದರ ಶ್ರೀ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ಒಂದೊಂದಾಟವನು ಎಲಿಗಲಿತಯೋ ರಂಗ ಒಂದೊಂದಾಟವನು ಎಲಿಗಲಿತಯೋ ರಂಗ ಮಂದರದರ ಶ್ರೀ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ಮಂದರದರ ಶ್ರೀ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ಮಂದರದರ ಶ್ರೀ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ಒಂದೊಂದಾಟವನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಗಲಿತಯೋ ರಂಗ ಒಂದೊಂದಾಟವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲಿ ಗಲಿತಯೋ ರಂಗ ಜಗನ್ಮೋಹನನೇ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಜಗವನೆ ಪಾಲಿಪನೆ ಜಗನ್ಮೋಹನನೇ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಕೃಷ್ಣ
Tilana is brisk, joyful, and befitting the concluding section of Bharatanatyam recital. The skill of Tilana is reflected in complex footwork and captivating poses of the dance. The repeated rendition of the Pallavi line allows the dancer to execute various complex patterns of rhythm and grace. This Tilana is in praise of God Muruga, who is handsome, captivated personality, wise, and is always worshipped by sages. He is a consort of Valli and the most knowledgeable. This Tilana is in Mohana Kalyani Raga and set to Adital, composed by Sri Lalgudi Jayaraman.
ತಕತ ಜಣು ದೀಂ ತ ಜಣು ತ ದೀಂ ತನ ಧೀರನ ತಕತ ಜಣು ದೀಂ ತ ಜಣು ತ ದೀಂ ತನ ಧೀರನ 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 ತಕತ ಜಣು ದೀಂ ತ ಜಣು ತ ದೀಂ ತನ ಧೀರನ 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 ತಗತ ಜಣು ದೀಂ ತ ಜಣು ತ ದೀಂ ತನ ಧೀರನ 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 ತಗತ ಜಣು ದೀಂ ತ ಜಣು ತ ದೀಂ ತನ ಧೀರನ 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 ತಗತ ಜಣು ದೀಂ ತ ಜಣು ತ ದೀಂ ತನ ಧೀರನ 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 ತಗತ ಜಣು ದೀಂ ತ ಜಣು ತ ದೀಂ ತನ ಧೀರನ 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 ತಗತ ಜಣು ದೀಂ ತ ಜಣು ತ ದೀಂ ತನ ಧೀರನ रूपं वन्दित मुनिजनानन्दं सुन्दर मोहनरूपं वन्दित मुनिजनानन्दं सततं वल्लीकान्तौ चिन्तये गुरुवरं स्कन्दं सततं वल्लीकान्तौ चिन्तये गुरुवरं स्कन्दं सुन्दर मोहनरूपं वन्दित मुनिजनानन्दं सततं वल्लीकान्तौ चिन्तये गुरुवरं गच्छनु 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 झनुदी तगरगिडरि विदयनु दत्तकतन गुतकतनि तदसनि गौरिस वनगरि सनिरपमगरि तत्तं तगति तगरि विनरों तदगरि सनिरकिटातु तत्तं तगति तगरि विनरों तदगरि सनिरकिटातु तत्तं तत्तं तगदजनुदि तत्तिंकति तगदजनुदि तत्तं तत्तं तगदजनुदिं तजनुतदि तनदीरन धीरना धीरना तगदजनुदिं तजनुतदि तनदीरन धीरन धीरन तगदजनुदिं तजनुतदि तनदीरन तनदीरन
That was the concluding dance item. But at this time, would like to, we've thanked Guru for all the hard work and training that she has put into Liz. But I also want to mention there's a very, very, very distant second person whom I should thank, Betsy, who took care of a lot of things for us while I was away and traveling and all of that, making sure Liz gets in time for training, logs on to the computer and make sure she's in front of Sneha, Guru Sneha when we moved to Ohio. And after the classes, she would force her to sort of train and make sure she keeps up. So I was absent and away for all of these things. I have to say all this because I have to go back to Ohio with her. So with that, I want to invite Liz to give the vote of thanks, to thank everybody for coming here today. Liz, come on over.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate all the love and support you've shown me today. And I promise I'll keep this short because I know everyone is eager to enjoy the rest of the evening and the food. First of all, thank you so much for being here today. It truly means so much to have all of my family, friends, and mentors gathered together to celebrate this milestone with me. I think when people watch an Arangetam, they see one performance that lasts a few hours. But what they don't see are all the years behind it. They don't see the countless practices, the corrections repeated over and over again, the moments of frustration, or the moments when everything finally starts to click. And for me, the past 4 years looked a little different. After moving to Cincinnati, Ohio, many of my dance classes continued over Zoom, which definitely wasn't what I imagined this journey would look like. There were plenty of moments spent adjusting camera angles, trying not to dance out of frame, and hoping my Wi-Fi would cooperate. But if anything, It taught me that Bharatanatyam is so much more than learning steps. It's about discipline, dedication, perseverance, and staying connected to something you truly love, even when circumstances change. Tonight may have my name on the program, but this Arangetam is the result of so many people coming together to make it possible. First and foremost, thank you to my guru, Sneha Kulkarni. Thank you for your endless patience, guidance, and encouragement throughout this journey. Thank you for continuing to teach me, challenge me, and support me, even through years of online classes. And thank you for pretending to believe me every time I said, yes, I practiced this week. Thank you to Guru Sneha and Mr. Milan Kulkarni for all of your support throughout this entire process and for helping make this day possible. Thank you to Mr. Vishwajit and Chinmaya Madhavan for helping with the hall and making sure everything came together behind the scenes. Thank you to Mr. Vamsi Dasaka for managing the audio and lighting and helping bring tonight's performance to life. Thank you to Ms. Madhuri for setting up the hall and creating such a beautiful stage decoration. And thank you to Ms. Rajvinder for the makeup and helping me look performance ready all day long. Thank you to Mr. Anthony Joseph and the entire photo and video team for capturing all of these memories so I can look back on this day for years to come. Thank you to Chef Ram and the Adayar Ananda Bhavan team for preparing tonight's wonderful meal. To all my friends and family, thank you for being here, cheering me on, and supporting me throughout this journey. Thank you for listening to me talk about dance and for celebrating this special day with me. And finally, thank you to my parents. Thank you for supporting me every step of this journey, from countless drives to dance classes and performances, and to all of the behind-the-scenes work that helped make today possible. Your encouragement, patience, and support over all these years mean more to me than I can express. Looking back, I've realized that an Arangetam isn't really an ending, it's a beginning. It's called a debut because it's the start of carrying this art form with me throughout the rest of my life. Thank you all so much for being here, for supporting me, and making this a day I will never forget. Please enjoy the rest of the evening, and most importantly, enjoy the food. Thank you.
కరుడైన
मनसा मनव्याल किं चरादडे कर्मकाण्डमद कृष्टुडै भव गगनचारुडै काशी चौदगा कर्मकाण्डमद कृष्टुडै भव गगनचारुडै काशी चौदगा कलिमा